Hey everybody, how you doing? I'm in my unfinished basement, but I have a question for you. There's a bird nest under my porch and it has eggs in it and all of that. What should I do? Should I just leave them there? Like the birds and all of that? I don't know what to do. They keep on coming up and swiping at us sometimes. Say, hey, get away, but I'll show you the porch. Okay, I just got outside. Here's the nest, and yep, our deck is up there. See, they're up there. All the little eggies. Yeah, the mom flew away, but I just don't know what to do. They're not really doing anything. Leave a comment, see what should I do? Should I feed them or something?